Life is a race. If you don't run fast, you know the rest. Very good afternoon to all of you. I am Prakriti Saxena presenting my CC3 speech. So guys, when I was going through the objectives of the CC3 speech, I realized it's all about pith, and I'll really be pithy over here. That means I'm going to speak to the point. So to the point leads me around 3 months back when my life, me, my creativity, my brain and my heart, we were all sleeping, just going with the flow of the life, trying not to achieve much, but just, going slowly, taking 1 step, 2 steps in a day, not really working very hard. And as I pointed out, I was a very lazy person at the time. So suddenly one day, I could see myself working from 9 a.m. in the morning till 2 a.m. at the night. So the catch here was that this routine followed for a few days, and suddenly a question struck in my mind. Why? Guys, trust me. Why? And there was another why after a why. I had no answers. So I started on the escapade to find the reasons behind the why. I reached out to a few people. I referred a few books. And just the moment when I was about to reach the destination, when the answer was coming to me, there was a call from my manager. And that's a really, a moment when your heart beats faster than a normal pace. I went inside and my manager said, "Great work, Prakriti, you have to handle this responsibility." Okay, now this responsibility came with another 3 resources that I had to work with. Now, the question was 4 more whys. So now there were total of 4 into n whys. Great. What next? I did not know. So I took some time, again, went to my lazy mode and decided that I'll think about it. It took me 2 days to think about it and I came up with 4 options. Guys, these options not only helped me to fight this situation, but they have kind of changed my life going further. The 4 options were, okay, the first one, turn your back, run as fast as you can, do not ever come back to this company, your job is done here. The second option, there are a lot of management books, there are a lot of leadership books, so I went to Crosswords, took a few books, started reading. Not much help. They were too idealistic for me. Third option, find a mentor. Someone who can help you analyze the situation and cross this river. Okay, I have serious trust issues. Fourth point, take a first step. Let's see what happens. What? At the max I'll fail? It's okay. This is a responsibility that I'm taking. This is a chance being given to me. So guys, I started contemplating on these 4 options. The first one, that's not me. I know my strengths and my weaknesses very well. And I knew that if I would have taken a step back at that point of time, I would have not been standing here. So I did not do that. It was out of options. The second option, the management books, the leadership books. Trust me, Crossword is full of those books. But the point is, which one should choose? Which one will help me analyze this situation and help me come out of it? I did not have enough time and I'm not a voracious reader. I gave up on that. Third one, mentor. Okay, I already told you that I have trust issues and it wasn't easy for me to trust a mentor at that point of time because he might or might not be able to understand my situation. So I decided to take the 4th step. I took the first step forward, knowing that if I take this first step forward, the first options, if I jump back to first option, I'll have to take 2 steps back. I gathered my willpower, I followed my heart, and I started taking the steps forward, and forward. Till the time I could prove myself that fine, I am making mistakes, but I'm learning something new. And not just me, even the people around me, they started taking the steps along with me. the life became simple. We all were moving forward. Yes, the task required a lot of attention, a lot of effort. You can call it a monumental effort because now we are working from 9 a.m. in the morning to 3 a.m. in the night. But we were achieving the targets. And yes, my friends, it was only yesterday when I received a thank you note from my manager. And that I would call that I earned it. It wasn't about the salary. It wasn't even about that appreciation letter that I got. It wasn't about the hike. What matters here is that now I'll not be afraid of taking that first step. And that is what I think my achievement is. Friends, I totally understand that many of you might not agree with me directly taking the first step. I should have reached a few people. Yes, fair enough. I should have read a few books. Fair enough. But since I was analyzing the situation, I was aware of the options I had. I decided to take the best one. Going forward in your life, I have these 4 options. If you have a 5th one, please do reach out to me. I'm badly in need still. So guys, you have these 4 options, I have these 4 options. And for the rest of my life, I'll take care that I choose one amongst them very wisely. Over to you.